Today we're showing you a 2019 John Deere 4066R tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. Tractor has just over 500 hours on it. I believe it's around 550. Double check the listing on that, but I believe it's right around that 550 mark. Has the 440R quick attach front loader on it. Tractor is very well equipped. It's a nice clean tractor yet. John Deere style hookup here for your bucket connection. The bucket does have a little bit of paint off it down here, as you can see. Inside of the bucket also has some paint out of it from normal wear. Overall, the paint on the tractor is in good shape. You do have a little bit of a spot here on the grill guard that our paint is rubbed off, but overall, again, very nice tractor. You have a little bit of a paint scuff up here in the hood. This is all very minor stuff. Also here on the decal, you've got a little bit of, looks like somebody got a little close with the hose or pressure washer. But again, overall, very sharp tractor. Two doors in the cab, has front and rear work lights. Tires are excellent. Has the dual remotes back here. Hitch Assist, so you can raise and lower the three-point arms with this lever, and then also move the tractor forward and back from the ground right here. So this really helps when you're attaching implements. You can, again, physically move the tractor forward and back with these switches, and then raise and lower the three-point with this knob. Very, very nice feature. This tractor also has the Downforce Kit option, which are these cylinders, this cylinder and this cylinder. So what that does for you, it will provide downforce if you're using it with a postal digger or something to that nature. You do have a downforce, so that is also an added option. Rear work lights and rear wiper on the tractor. Looks like you got a little bit of the same thing on the decal over here as on the other side. Two steps here to get in the cab. Air ride seat for the operator. 3-range hydrostatic transmission. This is the Deluxe e-hydro transmission. Twin pedals over there on the right. Also have your park brake here to the left. Over here to the right you have the loader control. Two levers here operate your rear remotes, and then your three-point up and down is here. PTO knob is the yellow one. The other switch here is that Downforce Kit on the back, and then your e-throttle, max speed control, cruise control, all that good stuff is here to the right on this keypad. Also have wiper switches, hydraulic switches, light switches all over on the right as well. It's a very nice tractor. Again, 2019, looks like it's got 575 in the hours. John Deere warranty till July 10th of 2025, so it's got lots of John Deere warranty on it yet. We do take trades. We also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. If you have questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us on the web or give us a call.